she's here, shawarma or whatever I bring home every day. What is she looking for? 24,000 naira. We were in the hospital with my daughter. I don't have money. I have to wait for my brother. He's not in Nigeria. I have to wait for my brother to send me money. Why I did not approach her to give me money is that a day before then, I was even struggling to send her money to eat in her working place. This person has more than 600,000 in her account.
Jesus.
So we were together in the hospital. When I was looking for a way to deposit that money so that I can treat my daughter. Respond to me, provoked me. I said, "Oh, you think I'm weak, Abi? You think I'm weak?" And now seized the phone from her. I said, "This phone will be with me for the next 3 days. I will not give you this phone." 24, it's up to 24 hours. Not even up to 12 hours. She went and bought another phone, 319,000.
Wanna be more, something bigger than love, yeah. Wanna be more than friends, can I be more than something bigger than love, yeah. Something bigger than love, yeah.